how to create custom location on Instagram. Hi everyone, I am Eva. I'm here to guide you every step of the way. So, are you ready to dive in? Then let's get started. So, first of all, open the Instagram app. Click on the plus icon on the bottom of your screen. Add the picture that you want to and press on next. Now again press on next, and here you can see add location. So just click there. So I have already set my location. Once you click in add location, you'll get the option to add your location. So just click on while using this app. So after you enable that, it will be able to track your location, like whatever is near you it will track like this. So yeah, that's it for this video. If you liked this video, then please hit that like button and subscribe for more.